what's up? It's Mark, and today I am here with a video on how to make this awesome string art decoration. And I love this craft because it's so much fun to make, and you can hang it anywhere and it'll still look awesome. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I like to post vlogs and DIYs just like this one, so be sure to click that little subscribe button and turn notifications on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. So you're going to start off by taking the image that you want to make and print that out. If you're doing a letter, make sure that you don't choose a really fancy font, as this will make it a lot easier when you pin this to your board. You're going to also need a piece of white foam, and you can get this at a craft store. So you're also going to need some pins, and I just found these at Joann's, and these are 1 1/3 of an inch. The last but definitely not least thing that we need is embroidery string, and here I'm using yellow and some blues. Start out by taking your printed out image and your foam and place your printed out image on top. Then you're going to take your pins, open that case up, and then we are going to stick a pin on one of the corners of our design. And try to center your design as much as possible. Continue this process along the entire edge of your design. Remember to always put pins in the corners of your design, or else it is just not going to look like the design you want. So I have now finished, and now I'm going to use the help of my trusty scissors and then cut around the M and basically rip off all this paper. So this can be the hardest part of the craft, especially if you have narrow spaces to get through, but if you do have patience, you can do it. I just ripped off the outer edges of the paper so it would be easier to work with. Once we have finished doing that, we are going to take some embroidery string and then make a knot on one of the pins. Once you're done knotting that, you're just going to want to zigzag across the pins and make sure not to pull this too tight or it will not look very nice. You're going to repeat this step for all the different colors you want on your design. So I have now finished, and this is what it looks like. I really like the design of this craft because I feel like it's really interesting, but yet really nice. Alright everyone, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!